Hello everyone, welcome to How to Use Basics. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add Canva in your ChatGPT account. To get started, you first need to log in to chatgpt.com. After you've logged into ChatGPT, you can now see Explore GPTs in the top left corner. You need to simply click on this. In the Explore GPTs, you can discover and create custom version of ChatGPT that combine instruction and extra knowledge. So we now need to search Canva over here. You can now see a brief description of Canva, its rating, and conversation it had so far in ChatGPT. To integrate Canva in your ChatGPT account, you now need to click on Start Chat, which is at the bottom of your screen. And now you can use Canva effortlessly in your own ChatGPT account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.